Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel to learn about the blockchain. Today I am going to explain you about the distributed blockchain and how actually it is looking like into a real example. Okay, not into the theory but as an example or as a practical session. In my previous sessions I've already explained about the hash, SHA algorithms, blocks and blockchain. But now I'm going to talk about the distributed blockchain. So let's begin the practical session. Okay, so here we are with the distributed blockchain. If you need to still remember what is distributed network, and if you forget, just please go back to my previous videos where I have explained what is distributed blockchain. Distributed blockchain, I'm just telling you that it is like distributing the same blocks into the multiple channels, right? Multiple places. What multiple places we are talking about? Places is not like my computer, your computer, another computer. It is like the whoever is linked within this particular network of the blocks or a blockchain, that everybody will have the same copy of the particular blockchain. This is called the distributed one, right? So if you can see, these blocks has this is a blockchain. Peer A, peer B, peer C, all have the same blocks, right? So all having the total 5 number of blocks. This is called the distributed network. The copy of the blockchain is being distributed each and every node, each and every miner, each and every peer who has been linked within the blockchain, right? So the chances of missing the data, chances of forging the data, chances of anything like which is going to be corruption is very low in the blockchain, because if you are changing in one pair, you need to go and change in everywhere, right? So that you'll won the overall blockchain. So what happens here, if you will see, the peer A has the similar blocks and the hash values like E2 here, E2 here, ending with E2 here also, right? So everything has been turned into green color, which is been like it is mined, overall blockchain is mined, and it has been distributed into similar way. Now what happens, suppose somebody in the peer B is going to touch this data. Hello, what happens here, if somebody will touch this data, the cryptographic hash value has been changed of this particular block, right? So what happens, once this cryptographic value has been changed, it is going to change into the particular all the blocks which has been listed after this block. Suppose I mine this block. This block is mined, but other blocks are still not mined. So the person need to mine each and every block to go back. But what happened in the similar time, if you will see, the other blocks do not have the same hash value. Why? Because the second block of the peer B has a hash value ending with 857, but the peer C has a hash value ending with ED5, and do the peer A with ED5. So that shows that the two peers have the different value than the peer B, which has been corrupted. So this is a similar way which you can see that if the similar nodes has been touched in one place, but the other nodes are not having the similar value which has been the distributed network, other values, it means that the other peers have not been used the same cryptographic hash. It means this block is being touched and it is not mined properly. So this is how the beautification of the distributed network and how it has been linked into the real world. I hope you are able to understand that how distributed network has been distributed across the blockchains and the peers, which has been useful for you to learn and understand the blockchain concept in a deep way. Thank you so much for being with me, and keep learning the blockchain. I'll come up with a few more topics to understand blockchain into detail. Thank you so much.